The Indian Administrative Services or the IAS exams. What is Indian Administrative Services? The officers in Indian Administrative Services are responsible for the management of various administrative departments and their respective functions. This includes framing of policies and acting as advisors to the ministers, as well as executing appointed duties as the officers in charge of administration of smaller administrative units. The district magistrate, for instance, is in charge of a district and has to look after the law and order situation as well as administration and overall development of the area. The IAS officers handle affairs of the government. At the central level, this involves framing and implementation of policy. They also represent the government in other countries and in international forums. They are even authorized to sign agreements on behalf of the government. At the district level, it is concerned with district affairs, including development functions. At the divisional level, the IAS officer looks after law and order, general administration, and development work. In the IAS cadre, you can be sub-magistrate, district magistrate, joint secretary, deputy secretary, etc. Why do we study? What is the end of education? Isn't it careers? But when there are so many careers to choose, how do I choose the right career? How can I make my decision right? My future depends on my decision. Which career is the right choice? Careers are confusing. Should I decide my career based on my potential, my capability, my talent? Or should I focus on what are the opportunities available and work on what are the opportunities in society? How do I choose? Environmental conditions, family conditions, my genes, opportunities. It's also confusing. Careers, a tough choice.